Hello everybody, this is Namanjan coming out with a new game development video. So this is Eternal Eclipse, a survival RPG game that I am making, and today I'm going to demonstrate some new features that I've added to the game. So if you haven't seen my previous game development video where I show quite some features, you can go to my previous videos and check them out. So today I'm going to talk about a quick bar that I've added to the game. So a lot of people have been complaining about not able to eat consumables or taking consumables during combat. So what I did is I made a quick bar over here, as you can see, and I'm going to drag in these consumables over here, and then what you can do is, as you can see, you have consumables in my inventory, and I'm going to go away from my inventory and press an E, and what it's going to do is it's automatically going to eat the fish that is over here. And the same thing with R. I'm going to leave my inventory open so you can see it. So when I press R, it automatically eats away the meat, and the same thing with the apple. So it's basically a quick bar system that you can use while combat. And the second feature I wanted to show you is a rotatable camera that a lot of people actually asked for. So the reason is because when you go in front of a building or a wall, and if you're looking from a certain angle, it might be really hard to see yourself. And that is why you might need to rotate the camera around. And those are the two new features I've added. Or you have all the normal skills. And now what you can do is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the whole level I've made. So this is basically a town that I've made. It's basically one of the lost cities, you can say. And basically, the FPS is really low just because I'm recording, so it might be a little vibraty, but otherwise there's no other problem. But as you can see over here, this is a town center, and this is where you're going to do all your trading and buying stuff and selling stuff to make your own business. Because it's a survival, you're going to have all these features, making money and everything, and then buying equipment, etc. And then it's the camera is just a little shaky because the FPS is low. And then here you have a lake, and here you can do all your fishing when we introduce non-combat skills. And here I'm going to show you a street over here, just another street where you can meet NPCs and buy houses and sell houses and do some real estate business within the game. And I'm just going to go through all this to show you all the level designing, the lighting effects, the particle systems, and yep. All this is pre-rendered. All the lighting is pre-rendered. I basically use light mapping, so there's no real-time rendering. So if I go under this light, you won't actually see the light affecting the actual player because it's all pre-rendered. There's no calculation, so it makes it a lot faster. And the whole town is basically a town center, a lake, and 2 streets. And just playing around with the camera, and that's the whole town basically. You have 2 streets and a town center. You'll be starting your basic, you'll be starting your survival career in this town, and you're gonna learn how to play the game in this town, and then move out in the wilderness to fight different monsters, and cut wood, do fishing, cook, and all the survival skills, etc. So I also wanted to say that we're giving out a newsletter, an Eternal Eclipse newsletter. So if you want to subscribe to it, you can subscribe to it. What we do is we give you emails once a week, updating you about the development of the game. We're not going to spam you or anything, but it's just so that if you're interested on how the game is progressing, you can just subscribe to this newsletter, and every week you'll be getting some updates. And other ways, if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and share. I'll put the link to the tech demo that you can download in the description, and also our Facebook page. So thank you for watching, guys, and hope to see you next time.